Hey, this is Chris with Haven Lighting. Today we're going to be covering a brand new accessory to a product. It's for our X Series Genesis product line. Today we have the black track with the white lights. Usually you would use the black lights with the black track, but in order for you to see the nice contrast on video, we chose white just for this video. So what this is used for is primarily when you're using our side clips to where the track is exposed, not up under a soffit or anything like that. And you don't want leaves and remnants and everything to get inside the track and just get all gunky. So you want to cover over the track. We have one case where a customer is using this as a railing light, so you don't want this to be visually unsightly, so they're going to put a cover over it. We have another couple cases where out west they don't really have soffits, so they use the side clips to mount the lights, again just to keep weather and material out of the track. Not that it would harm the lights, but just gets dirty inside. So what we use is what's called a seamer tool, where the lights actually snap into the track, makes the track a little bit whiter at that point. And so we use a seamer tool to where these lights are going to go to actually bend the cover a little bit out at that point. We're going to do this on both sides where the lights go, just to make the cover easy to snap onto the track. So now that we've bent it, the cover will just snap on here. Like so. Just all the way down. There you go. So it makes a nice, clean, seamless product when you're all done. So if you're going to use the cover, very handy to get this. This is a 3.5-inch seamer. Very handy to get one of these. Makes your job a lot easier. If you want to find out more about X Genesis, find out more about any of our products, please check us out at shophaven.com or Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or the X. We'll see you.